Please stick around to see how you can enjoy this lovely bowl of oatmeal banana porridge. Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make oatmeal banana porridge. These are all my ingredients. Here I have my sugar. In this bowl I have my spices. I have cinnamon, salt, and nutmeg. Over here I have vanilla. This is light evaporated milk plus a quarter cup of coconut milk. So this is totally 1 cup of milk. The reason you're seeing these lumps looking is from the fat from the coconut milk, because it's cold. And here we have our oatmeal. This is 1 cup of oatmeal. And over here we have our banana. We are going to crush now. So this is how we are going to crush our banana. We need a ripe banana. It don't have to overripe. This ripeness is okay. And here it's already peeled, and we are going to just crush like this. You can blend it also, but the texture I want the same texture as the oatmeal. When the oatmeal cooked, you have that a little lumpy taste in your mouth. I want that same texture from the banana. So this is why I chose to just crush it in small pieces like this. So our banana is crushed. Over here we have 3 cups of water, and we are going to add our oatmeal. This is 1 cup of oatmeal, and we are going to mix it out thoroughly. We are going to leave it boil until it starts thickening. That will take a few minutes. We are going to add our ripe banana and our milk. We are going to add our spices also. This includes the salt. And we are going to mix everything together. Our porridge is coming on nicely. It is looking good. Look at the texture. This is how I want the texture. You can see the banana pieces and the oatmeal. And oh guys, this tastes so good. All the spice just blending well. This is such a tasteful porridge. Wow. It is almost ready. So here we have our lovely bowl of oatmeal banana porridge, or if you want to call it banana oatmeal porridge. It's all garnished with some sliced ripe banana and some walnut. So this is so tasteful guys. I hope you try it and drop a comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to receive more of my upload. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.